Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting both devices ready. Power on the Geo set-top box and put it on your home Wi-Fi, then make sure your Android is on that same network. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and screencast in settings and open the Geo Companion app so the box can discover your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is on for faster detection. If Wi-Fi isn't available, create a hotspot on the phone and connect the box to it, then continue to pairing. Now you perform the actual connection. Open the Geo app and tap the cast or connect device option so it begins searching. Meanwhile, on the set-top box, navigate to Settings, then Remote and Cast, and enable Allow New Device so it is discoverable. Once your Android shows the SDB name in the cast list, tap it and confirm any PIN displayed on the TV. This secures the link. After pairing, the app will stream menus, and your phone can finish by testing. Play a channel or video from the app and use your phone as a remote to change channels and volume. If something goes wrong, first restart both the Android and the set-top box, because network glitches clear up often, then re-attempt pairing. Make sure both app and box firmware are updated, and if persistent issues occur, clear the app cache or check Wi-Fi channel conflicts. These steps fix most connectivity problems and get you back to streaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.